2021? 2021, where are you? I think 2021 has disappeared. 2022? 2022, is that you? Oh, come quickly, I'm making Lahori fish fry for you. For the Lahori fish, I have pat dry the fish. Now I'm going to cut them into thick fingers. I'm using basa fish, but you can also use cod, sole and sea bass. Now I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. And now we'll start off with Lahori fish batter. First, I'm going to add roasted chickpea flour. And next, corn flour for binding. Next, I'm going to add rice flour. Rice flour will give nice crispiness to the fish once the fish is ready. In the masalas, first I'm going to add chili flakes, red chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder. Next, I'm going to add coriander powder. Now I'm going to add ajwain, roasted cumin powder, kasuri methi for good flavor. With that, black pepper powder and salt. Now let's mix this all together. Now I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. With that, I'm going to add curd, 3 tablespoons. Remember, if you're adding curd, make sure you fry the fish there and then. If you're planning to cook the fish little late, I prefer using malt vinegar. And last, I'm going to add little mustard oil. This will give nice sharpness to the fish. Now we'll again mix all things together. After mixing all the spices, I am adding water at regular interval to get a thick consistency. I'm going to add little more water to it. My batter is ready and we are looking for this kind of consistency. Next, I'm going to put my fish into the batter. Before I mix the fish with the batter, I'm going to switch on the gas, heat up the oil so that by the time my fish is coated in the batter, my oil will be also ready. Now mix the fish with the batter. And make sure that you mix it with very soft hand because fish are very delicate in nature. I have nicely mixed the fish in the batter. Now I let the fish rest for a couple of minutes. The fish has rested for a couple of minutes. Now I'll start off with the frying. Let me tell you an amazing fact. For this fish in Lahore, they use used oil because they feel that used oil gives lots of flavor to the fish. My fish has turned golden. Now I'm going to remove it and put it into a paper towel. Sadi Lahori fish is now ready. I'm going to sprinkle some chaat masala on top. And now let's finish off the plating. And to beautify the dish, I'm going to sprinkle fresh coriander leaves and lemon wedges. There you go guys, our Lahori fried fish is now ready, thin and crispy from outside and spicy and flavorful from inside. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this delicious evening appetizer. Till we meet again in New Year, party hard and stay safe. Goodbye.